Hello everyone, this is Mamta Moon and today we will learn and solve exercise 7a, chapter 7, exercise 7a, questions 5 to 10 of chapter 7 of class 6 of composite mathematics textbook. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notification of future videos. Let's get started and solve some questions. What we learn today? Today we learn and solve exercise 7a, questions 5 to 10 of composite mathematics textbook class 6, and topic is algebra. Topics are algebraic expressions, verbal expression and evaluation of expressions. Let's solve some questions. Now we'll solve question number 5. Question number 5 is write each verbal expression in an algebraic expression. Verbal expressions are given and we have to convert this verbal expression in an algebraic expression. First bit is 3 more than 8. More than means more, that is addition. So 3 more than 8 is, verbal expression of 3 more than 8 is 3 plus 8. More than will be represented with plus symbol, addition. Then second bit C less D. Here verbal expression less will be represented with negative sign, negative, that is minus sign. So verbal expression of C less D is C minus D. Less is represented with minus sign. Third bit Y increased by 6. Here increased by will be represented with plus symbol. Verbal expression of Y increased by 6 is Y plus 6. Now fourth bit M decreased by 8. Here decreased by will be represented with minus sign. So verbal expression of M decreased by 8 is M minus 8. Fifth bit 5 times X. Times will be represented with multiply symbol, multiplication symbol. So verbal expression of 5 times X is 5X. Sixth bit 1 half of X. 1 half will be represented with 1 divided by 2. So verbal expression of 1 half of X is 1 divided by 2 of X. Half of X. 1 divided by 2 X. Half X. Now we'll solve seventh with the sum of A and B. Sum of will be represented with addition symbol, that is plus symbol. So verbal expression of sum of A and B is A plus B. Eighth bit product of 3 and Q. Product means represented with multiplication symbol, multiply symbol. So verbal expression of product of A, 3 and Q is 3Q. Ninth bit the quotient of Y and 10. Quotient means division symbol. So verbal expression of quotient of Y and 10 is Y divided by 10. X 2 less than M. Less than will be represented with minus sign. So 2 less than M. Verbal expression of 2 less than M is 2 less than M is M minus 2. Subtracting 2 from M. That is M minus 2 is the verbal expression of 2 less than M. Now we solve question number 6. Question number 6 is express this verbal expression as an algebraic expression. We have a verbal expression given and we have to convert this verbal expression in an algebraic expression. First bit 5 more than 3 times P. 3 times means 3 multiplication with P, and more than will be represented with plus sign. So verbal expression of 5 more than 3 times P is 5 plus 3P. More than is plus symbol and times is multiplication symbol. So verbal expression of 5 more than 3 times P is 5 plus 3P. Second bit 1 less than 6 times N. Less than will be represented with minus sign and times will be represented with multiplication sign. So verbal expression of 1 less than 6 times n is 6n minus 1. Third bit, 4 times the sum of y and 7. Times will be represented with multiplication symbol and sum will be represented with plus symbol. So verbal expression of 4 times the sum of y and 7 is 4 multiplication with y plus 7, that is 4 within bracket y plus 7. Inside the bracket write down y plus 7 and 4 times 4 multiplication with y plus 7. This is the verbal expression of 4 times sum of y and 7. Now fourth bit, 5 times the quantity n minus 3. The times will be represented with multiplication symbol and minus will be represented with minus symbol. Verbal expression of 5 times the quantity n minus 3 is 5 multiplied with n minus 3. N minus 3 will be inside the curly bracket, inside the parenthesis. 5 within bracket n minus 3. Fifth bit, 25 decreased by 4 times e. Here decreased by will be represented with minus sign and times will be represented with multiplication symbol. So verbal expression of 25 decreased by 4 times e is 4e minus 25. Sixth bit, take away the product of 15 and t from 60. Product of will be represented with multiplication symbol and take away will be represented with subtraction symbol. So verbal expression of take away the product of 15 and t from 60 will be represented as from 60 you have to subtract the product of 15 and t. So 60 minus 15t. 60 minus 15t is the verbal expression of take away the product of 15 and t from 60. Now seventh bit, b decreased by 1 half c. Here decreased by will be represented with minus symbol and 1 half will be represented with 1 divided by 2. So verbal expression of b decreased by 1 half c will be b minus 1 divided by 2 c, 1 half b minus half c. 8 bit, 15 more than the quotient of d and 5. More than will be represented with plus symbol and quotient of d and 5 will be represented with division symbol. So verbal expression of 15 more than the quotient of d and 5 is 15 plus d divided by 5. 15 plus d divided by 5 is the verbal expression of 15 more than the quotient of d and 5. Now we'll solve question number 7. Question number 7 is express the answer of each of the following as an algebraic expression. First bit is Raja is 10 years older than Ravi. If Ravi's age is x years, what is Raja's age? We have given the Raja is 10 years older than Ravi and Ravi's age given is x years. So let the Ravi's age is x years, this is given. And Raja is given Raja is 10 years older than Ravi. This is given Raja is older than Ravi. So Raja's age will be age of Raja will be Raja's age is 10 plus 10 years older than Ravi. 10 plus Ravi's age. Ravi's age is x, so 10 plus x is x plus 10 years. So Raja's age will be x plus 10 years. Now we'll solve question number second bit. A ball and a kite costs 65 rupees. If the ball costs b rupees, what is the cost of the kite? Let the cost of the ball is b rupees. This is given, and Cost of ball and a kite is 65 rupees. This is also given. What is the cost of the kite? So cost of ball plus cost of kite is 65 rupees. Cost of ball is B rupees given. So B rupees plus cost of kite equal to 65 rupees. So cost of kite is cost of kite equal to 65 rupees minus B rupees. This is the algebraic expression of this given expression. So cost of kite is 65 rupees minus B rupees. Now we'll solve question number third bit. Third bit is each boy eats 5 toffees. How many toffees do 9 boys eat? One boy eats 5 toffees. So 9 boys will be eat 9 boys will eat 5 multiplied with 9. 9 multiplied with 5 that is 45 toffees. So 9 boys eat 45 toffees. Now fourth bit. How many weeks there are there in D days? 7 days in 1 week. So 1 day will be 1 divided by 7 weeks. So D days will be D divided by 7 weeks. That is 1 divided by 7 multiplied with D. That is D divided by 7 weeks. So there are D divided by 7 weeks in D days. Now we'll solve question number 50. Sandy scores 8 marks in long answer type questions. For short answer questions, 2 marks are given for each correct answer. And what is the Sandy's total score if she answers X short answer questions correctly? Scores of long answer type questions of Sandy is 8 marks. Sandy scores 8 marks for long answer type. So scores of long answer is 8 marks and scores of short answer of questions with correct answer is 2 marks. This is given. Scores of X, and we have to find Sandy's total score if she answers X short answer questions correctly. So scores of X short answer question will be short answer question, correct short answer question is 2 marks. So X short answer question will be 2 multiplied with X, that is 2X marks. So scores of X short answer question is 2X marks. So total score of Sandy is total short answer question plus total long answer question. Total short answer question is 2X and total long answer question is 8. So 2X plus 8. So total scores of Sandy is 2X plus 8 marks. Now we'll solve question number 8. Question number 8 is 1 centimeter equals 0.3937 inches. Which expression shows how many inches are there in X centimeters? Once we have given 1 centimeter is 0.3937 inches. So X centimeters will be X multiplied with 0.3937. 0.3937 multiplied with X inches. So 0.3937 X inches. So there are 0.3937 X inches in X centimeters. So expression of option C is correct. 0.3937 X. This is correct. Option C is correct. Now we'll solve question number 9. Question number 9 is which verbal expression does not represent a minus 8? These options are given. So verbal expression of does not represent a minus 8. 8 less than a. First option A is given 8 less than a. So this is expression a minus 8. Expression a minus 8 means 8 is subtracted from a. 8 a minus 8 means 8 is subtracted from a, but a subtracted from 8 is 8 minus 8. A subtracted from 8 will be 8 minus 8. So here option A is 8 less than A, that is A minus 8, and A decreased by 8 is A minus 8, and take away 8 from A. Take away 8 from A will be A minus 8, and D is A subtracted from 8. 8 minus 8. A subtracted from 8 will be represented with 8 minus 8. So option D is not represent, option D does not represent A minus 8. So expression of option D does not represent A minus 8. Now we solve question number 10. Question number 10 is a man has 350 watches. He sells W watches every day. Write an algebraic expression to show the number of watches he would be left with after t weeks. Number of watches sell every day is W. This is given. Number of watches sell every day is W. In a week. Week has 7 days. So in a week he sells watches will be 7W. W multiplied with 7, that is 7W watches he sells in a week. In T weeks he sells watches T multiplied with 7W, that is 7TW. In T weeks he will sell watches is 7TW. So number of watches the man has before is given 350. So number of watches left after T weeks. After T weeks is number of watches before he has, number of watches before he has, the man has, minus number of watches he sells in T weeks. Number of watches he sells after T weeks. So number of watches left after T weeks is 350 minus 7TW. 350 minus 7TW is the algebraic expression of number of watches he would be left up with after T weeks. Number of watches he left after T weeks, number of watches he left after T weeks is 350 minus 7TW. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you have any doubts, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Keep learning, keep watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you. If you like this video, then please click the like button and share this. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notifications of future videos. If you have any doubts, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Keep learning, keep watching, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.